Hydroponic Phalaenopsis Orchid tutorial is here. Prepare 1 orchid for planting and 1 container. A 10 cm diameter is recommended, with a height of 20 cm. Seedlings with aerial roots adapt more easily to water environments. Be careful not to break the roots when removing the seedling. To convert to hydroponics and acclimate, avoid using seedlings with flower buds or blooming flowers. If it's the flowering period, wait until the flowers have wilted before proceeding. A temperature between P-30 degrees Celsius is recommended for newly purchased seedlings. Let them sit for a week. Do not water during the acclimation period. Wait until the roots turn white before removing. Green roots hold too much moisture and are too fragile, easily broken. Cut open the seedling cup from the bottom and slowly remove the sphagnum moss. Old roots that are blackened, curved, and without crystal tips don't need to be preserved. They can be cut off directly. Additionally, this kind of sphagnum moss is more suitable for greenhouse or hothouse environments. In a home environment, you can remove it after 1 week of acclimation. At home, avoid using bark media or hydroponics for too long. They are prone to rot and cause root and rhizome decay, so don't leave them too long. Remove within 2 weeks. These short root tips with crystal-like ends can be preserved. Curved or blackened old roots need to be trimmed. Otherwise, they will rot later and affect the aesthetic of the root system. Note that for fleshy roots, they must be cut from the base. Do not cut them in the middle, leaving half behind. Look at this section I've cut open. It's full of moisture. It cannot heal in a short time. Once submerged, it will get infected and rot. Important. Very important. Do not trim fleshy roots short. If only half the root remains, it must heal slowly in the air. Do not let it touch water. After removing decayed roots and debris, you can remove the small leaves near the base. If the overall leaves are in bad shape, you can skip removing them. Now install the planting basket. To control moisture and aid healing, it's recommended to use a bark and pebble mix to stabilize the plant. To avoid tipping over during blooming due to a light basket, Phalaenopsis orchids, being epiphytes, can go without water for 3 to 5 days. Wait for wounds to heal. Add water after the roots turn white due to dehydration. This helps prevent infection and rot. After root damage, the water level should be about 70%. Submerge only part of the roots. Try to keep the planting basket out of the water, because the base of the orchid in the basket stays damp for a long time and may rot, even without touching water. Phalaenopsis, aerial roots, can absorb moisture from the humidity near the bottle opening. Place in a ventilated area with indirect light. After about 2 weeks, the roots will adapt to the water environment and begin to grow. The flower spike will also start to extend.